Samples from a population. Earlier in this section, we considered survey questions and some sources of bias. Here we are going to look at who we collect the data from. A census is when the survey is given to every member of the population, which is easy to think about when this is people. A population could be all of the marbles in a jar, and we might collect information such as radius and colour. A census should be unbiased since the whole population is involved. Provided the questions are not leading or flawed, we should end up with unbiased data. If we cannot, or don't want to for practical reasons, survey the entire population, we need to take a sample, which is surveying a subset of the population. It is important to make this sample as representative of the entire population as possible to remove sources of bias. The best way to do this is to take some form of probability-based or random sample. The ones we need to consider are random sampling, sometimes known as simple random sampling. It's a technique where every member of a population has an equal probability of being selected. Each individual is chosen at random. We have systematic sampling. Every member of the population has an equal chance of being chosen, but only the first member of the sample is chosen at random, with subsequent members being chosen at regular intervals from the list. We also have stratified sampling. A random sample can still result in certain sections of the population being either over or underrepresented. With stratified sampling, different sections of the population are sampled randomly to ensure the correct proportions of all sections of the population. We're going to look at these in an example to make it clearer how we do these different types of sampling.